The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Dallas County in north central Texas until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are forecast. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dallas, Garland, Irving, Mesquite, Carrollton, Richardson, Rowlett, Wiley, Farmers Branch, University Park, Satch C, Addison, Highland Park, Sunnyvale, Dallas Love Field, White Rock Lake, Buckingham, and Lake Ray Hubbard. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.